Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to use the MEXC referral code. Firstly, go to MEXC.com or download the app. Open the app or website, then tap Sign Up. Choose to register using your email or mobile number. In the referral code field, enter the bonus code. This activates your bonus eligibility and gives you a free discount on trade-in. Submit a valid ID and complete the KYC. Then, this step is mandatory to unlock bonuses and ensure account security. All you have to do now is to deposit any supported currency. There's usually a minimum deposit amount required to unlock certain rewards. After registration and deposit, go to your profile, find an open reward hub section, and there you can track your reward progress and claim bonuses like trade-in fee rebates, USDT trade-in vouchers, or task-based rewards. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.